Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be filming my room tour. Yay. I don't know, I kind of just wanted to do this because I think the last time I did a room tour I took it down because I didn't like it, and I thought I'd redo it because I love my room and I want to show it off. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day. Hope you guys are having a good school year so far if you started school. But yeah, let's just get on into the room tour. Okay guys, so basically this is my door, and on my door I have like little sticky notes that say the dates, and it just goes by 1 month. And so basically the whole point is that every time it's been a month of doing long distance with my boyfriend, I'm gonna take one of them off, so that way it's kind of like just like a fun thing to do, and it kind of just shows that it's not that long. It seems like it's long in the moment, but in reality it's not. I also have like purses on my door just because I didn't know where else to put them. And then over here I have vines as decoration, and I got them from Amazon. And then I have my little board of my month and a ton of pictures that I printed off from Pinterest a long time ago. And I also have more vines in the shelves. And then down here I have this Hoko poster that my boyfriend made me, but I didn't know where to put it, so I just put it here. I felt bad if I threw it away because he kept the poster I made him for winter formal. So over here on this wall right next to my door, I just have some masks in case if they're required somewhere. And then I also have like a little handprint thing, DIY, and then this right here. I don't know where any like this is from, but this I made. And if you have any ideas on what to do with this space, you guys should let me know because I don't know what to do with it. Okay, so next up I have this cart that I got a really long time ago, and it just has a ukulele on it. I have some dry erase board markers on it for my whiteboard. Camera batteries I store on here. Command strips, little random things that I don't know what to do. And I'll put my cameras on here when they're charging and stuff. Down here, don't look too close because it's really dusty, but I just have a ton of blue books, an old-fashioned camera, some matches for my candles. And then down here in this last thing, I have just a ton of like nicer going out dance shoes, and then I have candles. That's basically it for that one. So moving along, down here I have all of my shoes that I just switch out, through the week. And then I have a mirror. This is from Target. I have these shelves. I made them with my dad and made the headboard together for my bed. So I just have a couple candles, a little flower box. There's a golf tee game thing up here, and then these flowers my boyfriend actually gave me, and I just kind of let them dry for decoration. I also have my tripod and my tennis racket right there too. Right next to this shelf I also have another shelf, and then there's little boxes, so I just put those for decoration. And then I have seashells that I got when I went to the beach, as well as room spray. And then these things right here are like little memory items. Like this was on me and Daniel's first date. It's like when we went to a drive movie, when we went snorkeling in Haiti. This was our homecoming thing, our prom thing, and then this was when we went on like a little golf picnic date. And then I have 2 other candles for decoration and this Coca-Cola bottle from the Coca-Cola factory. So next up I have this little day bed. Yeah, it's just, I don't really sit on it. I usually just use it to put like clothes or school stuff on. So I just have pillows right there. I have this little fanny pack. I like to take it places, so I just keep it right here, and I'll usually just throw like my keys in it. But since I am going to school, I usually put that by my backpack. I have this little bear that Daniel gave me for Valentine's Day on here. This jackalope that I got in South Dakota. And then this is actually Daniel's baby toy thing that he got when he was a baby. And it's like it was like his favorite stuffed animal, so it's like his most treasured stuffed animal, and he gave it to me for when he went to college. And then I basically just leave all of my notebooks, school folders, textbooks out here, and then in here will be the classes that I'm taking for the day. So back here, kind of to the side of my day bed, I just kind of throw like bags. Like I have a backpack, stuffed animal, and a couple other bags, and then I have this stool. Over here is my desk area, and up above I hung vines. I thought it was cute and tied in all the other vines around my room. And then I have a ton of pictures that I printed from Pinterest. I got the pictures that are behind my calendar from behind the mirror, so if you move the mirror, there's like not any pictures. I don't know if you can see that really. So those extra pictures went over there. On my desk I have my Alexa, which is just there for like, I don't know, just for music and stuff. And then I have these little paper rings from straws that Daniel and I made on our first couple of dates when we had been dating for a few months. And then I have my makeup brushes in this mason jar, my makeup in this bowl, and then just some perfume, deodorant. And then over here I just have a planner and some makeup palettes. I have my laptop stand, which is from Amazon, cup of water, and then I have this little jewelry holder. It's from Target with just a ton of jewelry from all over, and my camera adapter cord. If you come over here and look over here, I just have like some more stuff, and then there's more school stuff down. There's like more school stuff down there. And then right here I have these little purse holders from Target with jewelry on it, and then some purses. Above that, I didn't know what to do with the space, so I just printed more pictures that I liked, but a little bit bigger, and put them up there, and I really like how that turned out. Then I have this desk chair from Home Goods, and just a pillow on it for comfort. So this is my bed. I have a ton of Polaroids up here because I thought it looked cute. Above my bed, I have a tapestry from Amazon, and then I also have more vines. A headboard me and my dad made, and then I have regular pillows, these two pillows from Target, and then this pillow from Target, and then this white comforter. Right beside my bed is my nightstand, and I just have a lamp. This lamp is from Target, and some books and like earrings on here. That's basically it with that. And then this is my closet. In my closet I just have this tote bag because I use that to take between places sometimes. And yeah, that's basically my room. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was my room tour. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.